aren't falling into debt because of an irresponsible decision. They're falling into debt because credit card companies are pushing them over the edge. For too long, credit card companies have been using unfair and deceptive practices. We cannot let the rules of the game continue to be rigged, and I'll protect the rights of ordinary Americans by cracking down on companies that are trying to deceive them. Consumers to live within their means and pay what they owe, but we also expect financial institutions to act with the same sense of responsibility that the American people aspire to in their own lives.